How to use Send It on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use the Send It app on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first, make sure you have Snapchat and make sure that you are logged in. Open up your Play Store, your App Store, and download the Send It application. When you first time open the Send It app, it will automatically ask you to link with your Snapchat account. So in my case, I've already done that process. If you haven't, it's very simple. It's just a one tap, link your Snapchat account. As you know, when you do that, you will see this type of interface. Now this is how the Send It app is. You can simply use a question to ask, and then you can simply play a game over here, and you can use some of the other fonts. And once you've done that, you can simply tap on the share button here. Once you tap on share, after you customize your Send It, you can simply add much more questions that you can find here, and you can simply choose to add to people, or you can go ahead and record a certain video using this particular Send It. Then you can hit the Send It option here. Once you had the Send To option, you can simply send them to your shortcuts and the people that you can see. This way you can use the Send It app on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.